This man's name is Srivastava Ramanujan. He was known in India as a mathematical genius. He was born December 22nd in 1887, and he wrote it to Tamil Nadu, India. He made substantial contributions to the analytical theory of numbers. He worked on elliptic functions, continued fractions, and infinite series. Now, the most interesting thing to me about Ramanujan is actually known as Ramanujan's cube. Now, this cube is actually a series of numbers that he had compiled. And if you can, I'm going to show you the ways to do it right now, but there's many sequences that you can add up, and more than likely they'll add up to 139. That's what's so magical about this cube, is that a lot of ways that you add them up, they add up to 139. Now, before I show you, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little cool thing that he incorporated into the top four. If you can't tell, it's actually his birthday. December 22nd, 1887. So that's why it's literally Ramanujan's cube. It has his birthday right in there. So here are the ways that you can add up the cube, and they'll add up to 139. So as you can tell, there are actually many ways to add up the numbers. All of those sequences, they add up to 139. As you can tell, they don't even have to be in like a real sequence or anything, but most of the time they're going to add up to 139. So I hope you learned a lot about Ramanujan's magical cube, and I urge you guys to go and try and find out whatever adds up to 139. I know me and my class had a great time kind of trying to figure it out. It's kind of a race between everyone. Unfortunately, Ramanujan died at a young age. He died April 26th in 1920 due to an illness. If he had lived, he probably would have made even bigger mathematical contributions. But this is a really cool cube, and so I urge all of you guys to go and try and find out new ways to add up Ramanujan's cube.